Next in CSS, we are going to create a navigation bar, and navigation bar is of two types, horizontal and vertical. Right now we are going to create vertical scroll navigation bar, which is the list of links. So this is our next in CSS, we are going to create navigation bar. Navigation bar is of two types, horizontal and vertical. Right now we are going to create vertical navigation bar, and the navigation bar in general, whether it is horizontal or vertical, is a list of link. So this is our basic HTML code, and within body section I'm giving UL tag because it is a navigation bar is a list of link. So and list should be unordered. UL is for unordered list, and here I'm writing li, and within li we have to give link a href equals to, right now here I'm linking it with Google page. So we can give a link to any page on a web server, or we can link it to any other page on our system itself. So here I'm linking it with Google page. So http://www.google.com. This is our first link, and here we have to give linking text. Second hyperlink we are creating, and we'll be linking it with Gmail. Third, we'll be linking it with Amazon page. So here we have to change it to Gmail. Third, we have to change it to Amazon, and here we have to change the linking text, and here also it should be Amazon. Now here we have linked our page to other page on web server. Now we want to link it make a link which is linking to our page, some page on our system itself. So for that, li a href equals to, within double quotes we have to give the link of that page, and my page is located in same folder. So first page I'm going to link is before and after.html. So it is before and after.html, and here I'm giving text. Before and after, this is our text. And one more link we are creating, equals to, within double quotes, and here I'm linking it with b&a.html, and here also b&a. Okay, save it and go live. So we can see that this is our list of unordered list of link. Now what we have to do is, to create a navigation bar, vertical navigation bar, we have to remove these bullets and these underlines. So first of all we are going to remove bullets. So in head section I'm giving style, and here ul tag, and here we have to write list style type to none. This thing is going to remove bullets, and next we have to remove underline. So that is related to anchor tag. So we have to write li a, and here we have to give text decoration to none. Now we can see that it has removed both underline and bullets from our list. So you can see that underline and bullets are removed. Now I want to give background color to it. So here background color I'm giving it is black, and here I'm changing text color of the link. So here I'm giving color to white. Save it and go live. So we can see that text color is white and background color is black. Now we want to reduce the size of this background. It is going from one end of our screen to other end of the screen. If we put width here, and I'm setting width to 200 pixel. Save it and go live. So its size is removed. Now I want to increase the font size of these links. So here I'm giving font size to be 25 pixel. Save it and go live. The font size is increased. Now I want to make this whole area clickable. Right now I can click on, if my cursor is under the Google, only then I can click here and it is going to open my Google page. But if my cursor is here, it is not going, if I click here, it is not going to open that Google page. Then what I want to do is I want to make this whole area clickable. Like if I click here or here in front of Google, it should be opening Google page. So for that, what we have to do, here I'm giving display property to block. Save it and go live. Now this whole area is clickable. Whether we are clicking here or in front of Google, it is going to open Google page. Whether cursor is here or here, it is going to open Gmail. So it has opened our Gmail. Now what I want that when I hover over it, its background color should change. When I hover over my links, its background color should change. So here I'm giving an I, then A, and we have to give hovering effect. When I hover, I want that background color should be crimson. So here I'm giving crimson. Save it and go live. Next, we can see that it is giving crimson color. But here it is not changing. Here we have to give padding to remove that space. So here in UL, I'm giving padding to 0. So we have removed that, we have given padding 0, so it has removed that space. Now I want that background color of this Google, that is topmost link, should be red. So here I'm making ally A, and here I'm making a class active. Active is the name of class, we can give any name, and here I'm giving background color, and here I'm giving crimson only. And what we have to do, I'm assigning it to our first link, class equals to active. So what it is going to do, in double quotes, save it. Now first link is going to get background color red, so it is red. Now I want to remove the space in between this navigation, vertical navigation bar, and the screen, this space. So we have to give padding here. No, we have already given, okay. Here we have to give asterisk, and here we have to give margin to 0. Save it and go live. So this is going to remove that extra space between our screen and our vertical navigation bar. So here when we'll click, it is going to open our Amazon site. If we click here, it is going to open our before and after.html, and it is going to sorry before, and it is going to over our same B and A page. So this was our vertical navigation bar, and yeah.